pancakes. Babe, is there anywhere? Whoa! Oh, this lady fell.
I was waiting on her like, where are you?
Like E.T.
I know. I love you. Un beso.
Okay, babe, this is so pretty. So guys, just a quick little update. I'm hanging out with my best friend. She let me use her little extra bathroom. Look how pretty. She set up some little towels for me to shower and stuff. She even bought me some subs and stuff to eat. Ooh. And yeah, so we're just gonna end the night here and I'll see you guys in the morning. So I have
A sub above.
yeah.
No, it should be open. We aren't open.
Hey, get it, girl. Wait, what do we get again?
I think it's, ooh, a French vanilla cappuccino.
Ooh, look how pretty, y'all. Look at her. Bro, that's my best friend.
She's a double.
So it's a little too sweet, but it's really good.
Shit got us cracked out. People are like, what the f?
Apple caramel crisp, pancakes. We got some home fries, some eggs, jalapeno. What you got, babe?
A carne asada burrito.
Oh, guys, welcome to the new crib. Over here we got coffee brewer. Look at this, the living room. Babe, what are you doing? Got game room on this side. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, but look at how fancy this freaking place is where my best friend lives. Like, who the fuck could just go?
Yes, I will, honey.
Look, they got free kombucha. Like, what, bro? It's just super nice. I might just be moving here soon.
Yes.
Stay tuned. There we go.
Ooh, we got that duo.
Yeah, she's fancy. Look at that. Alright, do I look tired of you? Like, I look like...
I mean, no, but like, I hope you're tired because you drove 14 hours yesterday.
She made me a nice little protein shake, you know what I'm saying? Get it, girl. So, we're getting ready to head out. We're going to, what, downtown?
We just going outside.
We're going outside, so stay tuned.
Outside.
I'm just gonna try to get out my vlog. Like,
I'm like, excuse
stay in
me.
it.
I'm not wanted over here.
She just wants all the action for our other video. That's it. Anyway, so look how pretty this place is. I don't know. What was that? There's an alligator. Guys, let me show you guys.
Alligators may live here.
Babe, is there anywhere? Whoa! Babe,
Gotcha.
you got me. Like, fucking little shit. Is it? What a fucking idiot.
Regret. Instant regret.
Is there anywhere we can try alligator here?
You want to eat that?
Yeah, I want to try it. I want to try it.
I love chicken, but I ain't eating no gator.
I want to try it so bad.
No gator.
So look how pretty, guys. It's so beautiful.
It's so warm, bro.
Peaceful.
It's so warm.
It's hot. I'm getting super hot.
Me too. That's why I said we might have to just get a... I don't have a bra on. I can't take my sweater off.
So look at this. There's a little grill for them, for y'all here.
Let's see if there's some gator on that grill. Whoa.
Ooh.
Nope, no gator on there.
Wow, like look at this scene, y'all. This is so nice.
Started off in Worcester, now we here.
Hey,
Started off in Worcester,
now
we
we motherfucking here. Oh, that has a fireplace. Is that what that is in the middle?
Fireplace, yeah.
dope. There's another 2 things here. You can have a whole party back here and no one will bother you because it's a good distance from like everyone. Wow, I love this place. I might just move here. If you think I should move here with my best friend, let me know in the comments below.
Yes,
I'll be her neighbor or something.
tell her yes.
Tell her yes.
Yes, 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 yes.
There's a nature trail. Like, yeah, what, bro?
You're feeling like a magnet to me. Come here.
Guys, look at this food.
Hey, can I make it to the order too?
Thank you. This is our meal number 2. Like, legit meal, but
Ask real quick and
Yeah. That's so dumb. You're gonna like I can't look at a tree past 5 o'clock. Like for real.
so guys, we try to come to Angel Oak, and it's a beautiful tree, and everybody's like, I guess they just closed up at 5 p.m. and it is now like 5:18. So we just missed it, but everybody's just like,
Yeah, let's go up so you can
Yeah.
show them a thing through the.
yeah. So it's just a beautiful
Dude, I have to come back here.
tree.
Oh my gosh.
I want to get on.
Me too.
I just want to sit on it. But yeah, everyone's just freaking pretty much like seeing it and taking pictures from the outside because we can't get in. They locked it up. All right, there y'all have it, guys. Look at. So that is very unfortunate. Again, like I said, very beautiful tree. And she drove like 25 minutes just for me to see this damn tree. But look at the hours. So if you come here, you make sure you come between the hours of 9 and 5 on Monday through Saturday, and on Sundays 1 to 5. So just be aware, guys. I feel so bad. I made her drive all this for no reason. Last entrance time is 4:50. There you go. So no later than 4:50 then. Okay, it's perfect. Oh, gee, bro.
So beautiful.
She looks
It's like that every night here.
I love
I love it.
it. All right, y'all. So I just said my goodbyes. It was fun. I ended up staying another night, so it's time for me to head to my next destination. And it's a little gloomy and rainy today, but it's not cold. It doesn't feel cold. I just tried to get some coffee before I left at the leasing office, and they were closed. I guess there was, I don't know, but they were just closed. So I'll probably just stop somewhere when I do need the coffee. Also, I've officially left the house, and we've got about 4 hours and 10 minutes as of right now to get there. So we're gonna get going and try and get some work done because I need to. So I'm gonna get some work done before I do anything else, because I've been sick, I've been slacking, and I can't keep doing this if I'm gonna keep posting. So enough talking, and let's just get down to business. Let's get to driving. Goodbye, South Carolina. It was nice seeing you. You're beautiful, but you're a little stinky. Ugh. No, not already. Shit. Oh, what the fuck is going on? Look at this shit. I always want to leave early, and I never leave as early as I want to, and instantly always regret it. Like, traffic. Gotta love it. Got to love it. So guys, we're in fill up number 4, I believe, maybe 5. I don't even know honestly what fill up we're in, but this freaking gas station I decided to stop at is crazy. Like, it's a little hectic and a little too small for the amount of activity that's going on in here. Like, so much going on right now. But filling up, and okay, so yeah, it's confirmed. It's I have 2.5 hours left to make it to my destination, and then I'm probably gonna get some Z's. I was feeling nice, but now I'm like, eh. But I might just stop in here and get some coffee and food. Maybe I'll feel better then. So let's see. But I gotta get out of this spot first because, like I said, it's hectic and like everyone's going crazy trying to get gas. So I'm not gonna be that person. All right, there y'all have it. $63 for that. All right, let's go get some coffee. Ooh, that was a lot. And just like that, we're back on the road, guys. Also, can we just embrace how beautiful this day is turning out? The views are nice, the weather is perfect. I even got my AC on, y'all. It is currently 71 degrees and I think it's still yet to get warmer. So So just made it to my destination. It is currently like 73 degrees, super hot, super nice. And I'm a little tired, so I'm just gonna get in the back of the truck. Maybe hopefully take a quick nap, and then get some work done. Let's go. Excuse me if I look super beat, but it's been a long day. It's been a long drive, so. But I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of how this place looks. Those birds did not care, not one bit. I love it. It feels so great and refreshing. Oh, it's pretty shallow. Yeah, it's pretty shallow. You guys can see that rock right there. See? Look at that bridge, yo. It's beautiful. They also got a nice little playground for the kids and stuff. Look at y'all. This is the playground area right here. Water's right here. And just to give you a perspective of where I'm parked, I'm gonna show you guys how far I am from. Here's the water. And here's my truck right there. I don't know, I'm like zoomed out right now, but that's my truck. Here's the water. Isn't it so beautiful? And there's like a bunch of activities and there's like patrols like just chilling in the parking lot. So I feel safe here, like, you know, even if, and I think they patrol overnight as well. If you guys want to know where I get these like stays at, let me know. And I'll send you guys the apps and sites that I use in order to find places like these. They're free to stay. So there's no fee in these. So you just save some money. You don't have to like, you know, stay at a hotel or anything. So it's just a nice place to stay. It's a camp at. Let's get into the truck. Hello. Hi. Look at this lady. She's having the time of her life. And I'm a little jealous. Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh, this lady fell. I wonder if I got that on video. This lady just fell. Let me check if I got that shit on video, bro. Yeah, I missed it. Like, you could see her coming around the corner, and then you see my big old head in the way, and then you just see her on the ground. So I fucked up. I might get in here and get away from the sun. I'll probably leave this open and relax, chill. All right, guys, so I'm settled in. I'm like just relaxing. I'm getting a little bit sleepy. I might just take a quick nap. Like, the breeze is coming in nice. The view is very, like, it's just perfect right now. So again, if you guys want to know how to find dope places like this where you get just like open your trunk door or truck bed door, damn it, that's so loud, and have a view like this, then let me know in the comments below. If you want to know this exact location, let me know. I will send you the coordinates, or I can just send you the apps of where it'll show you exactly like where you can camp for free, or it'll tell you if you have to pay or not. And it's, you know, ultimately your decision where you want to stay, if you want to pay. And most of them do have pictures, so you'll be able to see. Like, I saw this one had a picture, so I was able to see exactly where I was staying and like the type of environment I'd be in. So yeah, just let me know. Stay tuned. I'm gonna again get a nap in and get some work done and see what else I could get myself into tonight. Stay tuned. Damn, it's so nice out here. I just took a nice little nap. As soon as it turned 4, the bell was going off like a church bell or something. It was so loud, kind of woke me up. I want to keep sleeping, but I have so much work to do, which I think I'm gonna do. All right, guys, so it's currently like 4:30 p.m. The sun is starting to go down and starting to get even more prettier. So I'm just taking advantage of this weather, and I'm cleaning out the truck, organizing it a little bit better because my son gets here tomorrow. And then once I'm done cleaning up, I'm just gonna watch the sunset and enjoy this beauty. And then maybe I'll head out, hang out with some family, friends. Stay tuned and let's see where today takes us. All right. I know it's not much, but if you guys would have seen it before, I felt like it was a little bit more hectic and less organized. So this is way better. Now the sun's almost down, so I'm gonna quickly head over and meditate for a little bit before the sun fully goes down. Let's see. You'll see.